Out on the trail or up in the mountains, safety is key. You've got your winch from Superwinch, but now you need some accessories to use it properly. The recovery kit from Superwinch will get you out of almost any situation. This kit is great for the avid off-roader because it has just about everything you'll need. It comes with two 3/4 inch D-rings, one 4-inch by 8 feet tree trunk protector, a 3-inch by 30-foot recovery strap, a 36,000-pound snatch block, a choker chain, a pair of winching gloves, and a great bag to store them in. Let's break down this heavy-duty kit and see why each item is a must-have. The D-rings are a great add to your Jeep or truck for an additional anchor point. They're great for towing, lifting you out of a ditch, or any other situation where you find yourself needing pulled up or over. The tree trunk protector is perfect for both the environment and getting you unstuck. By using this strap, you can hook it to your Jeep or truck and safely wrap it around the trunk of a large tree in order to use the strength of the tree's root system as an anchor. The recovery strap is named for exactly what it does. It has closed loop ends and can be used as a winch extension strap, tree saver, or tow strap. This one can handle up to 26,000 pounds and can be used in all types of weather. The recovery strap is used to pull a stuck vehicle out of a bad spot. The 36,000-pound snatch block helps your winch pull a larger resistant load with less stress. It can safely change direction so you can move around corners while recovering. The choker chain is an additional way to hook up when recovering a vehicle. The chain is used to wrap around objects that could damage your straps. Certain trees, rocks, and other sharp objects could ruin your tow straps. The chain gives an option where this doesn't happen. Finally, the gloves are just as important as all the rest. You don't want to damage or injure your hands while out in the woods or on the trail. These will help protect your hands, which will keep you on the road. If you're interested in this heavy-duty recovery bag from Superwinch, check out our store locator on the screen or in the description below. And subscribe for new product videos every week. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.